G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 5th of July. Well, it's been a pretty quiet session really. The US have been out on holiday of course for the Independence Day celebrations, and so the market hasn't done a great deal, and looking ahead we're now awaiting the interest rate decisions later on today from both the ECB and the Bank of England. So until then I wouldn't expect a great deal of activity. Both the euro and cable are a little bit lower on the day ahead of the interest rate decisions, and the euro's been down to 125.08 I think it is. It's currently at 125.30, and sterling's trading around 156. Not doing a great deal, but cuts are written in, a 25-point cut from the ECB, and the Bank of England are expected to increase the asset purchase programme by £50 billion. So both easing liquidity, and the market will take its direction later on. The market seems to think that the cuts are going to be good for both euro and sterling. I'm not so sure about that. The line of thinking being that the cuts will kickstart the European economies. But we'll have to wait and see on that one. Elsewhere, the markets have generally not done a great deal, pretty much unchanged. The Aussie's been unable to hold on to its gains of yesterday after the retail sales. Got up to 103.19. It's pretty quickly back to 102.80, which is where it sits right now. And the Kiwi, that's at around 80.30, 35. Once again, it tried to break above 80.60, but was unable to do so, and came back to levels seen about this time yesterday. The yen, that's been even quieter. That's traded a 30-point range overnight, and sits at around 79.80 at the moment, and I don't expect to see a great deal of action there today. So it all looks pretty quiet until the central bank's decisions, and then of course later tomorrow we've got, or later today I should say, we've got the ADP unemployment data from the States, which comes out ahead of tomorrow's non-farm payrolls and US unemployment data. So that'll provide a volatile end to the week. That's really about it. I wouldn't expect too much action through Asia today. So if you want a more comprehensive report on the markets, so go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any opinion here is a personal view only and is not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.